So my life before cataract surgery was very interesting because I thought I always had smudges on my glasses and I was constantly cleaning my glasses. And when I went to my eye doctor, he looked inside my eyes and he said I had cataracts. And I was constantly having to adjust my glasses and look because my eyesight was really getting bad. And so when I finally had an answer to what was wrong, then we decided that it was time to get cataract surgery, and he recommended for me to come to Chicago Cornea. So during the actual surgery time, it was so wonderful. I heard music playing. Dr. Vaidya and the nurses were talking. Dr. Vaidya at each step of the way explained exactly what was going on. Since I was alert and awake, he could talk to me and I could hear things going on. Within 3 songs, he had my old cataracts out, which he said, I'm taking your old cataracts out now. And then he said, now I'll be placing the new one in. And within 8 to 10 minutes, that part was done. The nurses then cleaned me up and put whatever they did on top of my eye, any topical types of things. They patched me up and then they took me right to my room. And I was in and out of the center within an hour. So it was a wonderful experience, and I felt that Dr. Vaidya had really explained everything and that I was in very good hands with him because I knew exactly what to expect all throughout that hour. I have gone through my very first light adjustment, and that procedure once again was very easy. I was able to adjust with the lights. It took 30 seconds. He was talking about exactly what he was doing. He counted down those 30 seconds and he said, you did a great job, which made me feel so good. So it was an extremely fast procedure, and I felt like my vision got even better. I am not using any type of glasses now. I can read perfectly small print, regular print. I can read the computer very well. So I feel like just with one light treatment, my vision is just almost perfect. I would highly recommend using Dr. Vaidya for the fact that he does make you feel like family, that he is very professional, and that he will put your mind at ease, and everything that he tells you will exactly happen that way.